do whatever pictures this is because we do what we do. And if I wasn't, you know, maybe I'm
Five, four, three,
Happy New Year.
two, one. And hello, everybody, and welcome to The Price of Patience, where the price of patience is less than the price of regret.
Always, always. Oh, we had even the countdown. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Hello. How are you all doing?
So, today on The Price of Patience, we are looking at a little technical analysis. So, let's bring over our key levels from yesterday's session. Let's just drag them over. Because if you ever traded on Trade then you know this thing is like a 1990s computer. Nothing fancy like you trading view traders. Shout out to you if you're using TradingView. Yeah, I'm more of a Trader Bait guy. I just use this simple platform. I don't need much. Um, all right. So what do I see happening right now? This looks like an inverse head and shoulders if I ever saw one. We're gonna make a nice little shoulder until somewhere between London Open and the close of the Asian session. We're gonna drop down, fake everybody out, and then we're gonna shoot up. Because I have two very strong reasons that I feel like that's gonna happen. One, I mean, I'm kind of a pattern trader and I see a right shoulder forming. That's probably, my Occam's razor. Occam's razor is like a theory. It says like the simplest answer is usually the answer, right? So,
Hmm.
but in addition to that, it's a short week. Short weeks always, I mean, you can back test it if you want. Short weeks always go up. They end up. It doesn't like violently go up, but when the week is over, it's gonna be up. So I mean, even if the week ended right here, we'd be up from where we started, right? But
Yeah.
nonetheless, short weeks go up. So right now we are approaching. Let me make sure we're not on when I okay, okay. So yeah, we're approaching a no, that's just the high of the session. We're approaching an hourly key level. I have my hourly key level in blue. That thing is sitting right around 3507. It's not a super powerful level, but it will take a little bit of momentum to break through. It should take a few tries unless we have a huge catalyst. So right now we're bullish. The RSI is high. We are respecting the 9 EMA on the 15 minute, which I consider that pretty important. And we're approaching a key level. If we break through this key level, this area seems to move pretty fast. You see the candles in between the key level at 3486, let's say, or I'm sorry, 3501. Let's just call it 3501, 3505, somewhere in there. All right, that's a key level. And then the next big key level I have is all the way up here at 3959. The candles between that range, they're pretty big. So you can expect some pretty big 15-minute candles in this range. So if we can break above and hold above that 3,500, then you want to find your first pullback you can to go long and hold on to that thing for it looks like it. On the left shoulder, it took a good 2 to 4 hours to break all the way up to that next level. I don't plan on hanging around for a 4 hour candle, but I will, set it along with some nice amount of contracts and leave some runners. And that's kind of the trading plan right now. Let's break 3,500, retest it, go long, find that bottom, and then ride the wave to the top. I might even fall asleep on a trade and set my stop loss and profits if I can get everything set up just right. So that is my 2 cents on NQ. We're going to be trading NQ tonight. Gold has been not really so friendly with the price action. So that's my 2 cents, and I'm sticking to it. And that's me, Black Privilege over here. Fellas, you guys got anything to add? You want to give your own TA, or what are we thinking?
I agree with what you said. Um, I'm just checking what do I have here. And yesterday, actually, we came down, or for you this afternoon, we took the Monday's Asia session low, right? And we bounced from there. And we mentioned yesterday, actually, or I said it, that I would expect some kind of a pullback this week um, because we opened at Monday and we just went straight up. So I guess we got that. Now we just have to find the bottom for continuation higher. I agree with you that this week should be probably bullish, so I expect the week to close green. Um, we trade futures today, tomorrow, and it's short hours on Friday, right? So we still have time to go back up. Um, I'm trying to find some interesting levels here to like for potential support. We have this gap that we formed on Monday from Sunday to Monday, uh, 30,100 to 30,023.50. Um, I'm not sure we're gonna come that low. Really not. But to be honest, I don't have anything else. I have one nice level that was a resistance previously, 30,146, just above that gap that I just mentioned. Um, but yeah, now we I think we swept all the liquidity on the downside from this week. If we're gonna enter previous week range or previous week, I have it here. Value area, it's way low, so below 29,800s. Um, but we have a nice value area high from, I believe that was last week Monday and last week Tuesday at around that same level, 30,150 and 30,032. So that's the all confluences that I have right now, um, as potential support if we come that low. And since we had a bounce already, um, my thinking is okay. Does this look like bottom finished? I'm not sure. So even if we come down to retest maybe before the New York session or yeah before the FOMC, we might come down and then we continue. We bounce and continue higher, and we might form some kind of bull dips here on 1 hour 30 minutes time frames. That would be lovely. Um, but yeah, other than that, I think I will be a little bit patient today just to see where we are going, and then try to catch a move.
It's cool. Yeah, yeah, I feel that. Like we're saying, the market eventually it's gonna close upwards. Some nice volume profiles there. Okay. But it can go sideways, up, down. The finish is up, but we don't know what's gonna happen in between that. So um just play your cards right.
Yeah, I'm just looking at TPO chart here on NQ. NQ has some single prints between 30, let me be exact, 30,725 and 748. So that could be also a potential resistance. So we have to be careful there. Um, but interestingly enough, ES does not have any single prints. So, but I will mark that anyway. Um, let's say 725 to 750. Um, mm,
Very nice.
uh,
Well, let's see if we can find this trade. Again, I am in agreement that this thing is going up. I'll zoom in. Aware of where the 9 EMA is on the 15. Also respecting the 9 EMA on the 5. So we're just in a clean, now we're in a clean uptrend ever since we bounced off of the bottom Bollinger Band. But before that, we were in some kind of a flag. And we just broke out of that flag. We're holding above the flag, which had confluence with the 9. So that is lovely. All right, cool. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. Neither one of us is in a trade right now, but we are looking, uh, playing it pretty safe today. I've been Mr. Conservative this week. Only hitting, I don't know what it is about this week for me, but I'm only hitting like one 200 point trades with a single contract, which I mean, I've gotten $400 off of one micro contract this week. I've gotten less when I do more. Uh, I had one trade that was like $500 with 8 contracts, and I was like, probably my best trade of the week was $500, which is like pretty weird for me.
Hey, you were usually aiming for 4,500, bro.
Yeah, exactly. I'm
But it's
usually
fine. That's
500.
fine. Why? I mean,
Yeah, yeah, 500.
not every week is the same in terms of price action, in terms of how do you feel the market. Um,
Setups have
so
not been the same, so I'm doing more of a scalping thing right now, as opposed to like going crazy. I'm trying to see it. Gold just looks terrible. I'm not gonna lie. I've stayed away from gold for weeks now because this price action is just ugh.
you know what's funny? I haven't even looked at gold in quite some time, but I remember I think last week what we hit 4,000 on gold.
Yeah.
And what did we say? We said like I think even before we started streaming, like maybe now 2 months ago, that we expect 4,500 and 4,000 to be hit before we go on a next major rally. Um, and what do you know?
What do you know?
Mm.
The more you know. Yeah, right now gold is at 43, 49. Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, okay, let's look at the 4 hour on gold. Okay, we are in the midst of a four. See, that's why the price action is so ugly on gold. Gold is in the midst of a 4 hour inverse head and shoulders, and it gapped up on the right shoulder. So, but you know, I forget who I was listening to, but you want to treat gaps like one big candle. I think it was Jordan. Jordan was talking about that. You want to treat gaps like one big candle, and
Okay, what do you mean?
so anytime you see a gap on a chart, you want to kind of like think of that gap as one candle. So that way it'll just help you to know how to respect that gap or treat that gap. Like when you're
Uh-huh.
trading against it. So for me, it's it completes the right shoulder perfectly on gold.
Oh,
So
okay, with the gap. Okay.
yeah, yeah. That gap on the right shoulder of gold is, as far as I'm concerned, that's just a single candle and boom, okay, cool. Now it looks like a solid right shoulder when I think of it like that. So but it looks like the next thing gold's gonna do is break under the 4 hour EMA. I mean the 4 hour 9 EMA and 14 SMA. And then it's weird because on the left shoulder we touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band, but on the right shoulder, I don't think that's how it's gonna go down. But it's probably gonna go down nonetheless to just this consolidation area at 42.50. So if I could see gold at 42.50, I would think about longs there. If I was on TradingView, I'd set an alert, but I'll just make a mental note. Gold around 42.50, I'm interested in longs.
Shall I put the alarm for you? The alert.
Yeah, yeah,
Let me just find gold. And it's funny, I have a layout called gold and there is silver
yeah.
as a ticker. Okay, GC, you said what, 45? No,
42.50, right around
45.
42.50, that little
Okay,
consolidation right there. Anytime we get up in that consolidation, I'm interested in
okay,
basically a
there
gap
we
fill
go.
reversal, right? So
And by the way, I fired a small long on NQ. I just checked the market side for B on 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes, and everything looks like it wants to go higher. We might see some kind of a pullback. My EMAs are turned off at the moment. Let me turn this back on. So on 5, yeah, we just bounced from the 9 EMA, so we might come down first, but I just gave it a go. Covering the last 5-minute candle low, aiming for 511, 30,510. Um, so let's see.
Well, we're at we haven't hit that key level yet, so we're almost there. The key level's
Yeah.
right like 500, but we got to break through the 80s. I think if we break
Oh
through
yeah.
the 80s, it's going to be a nice little violent push right to the 500s, and then
Yeah.
you'll probably see that rejection, that pullback right there. And once we finally break above the 500s, that's when I'm looking for a retest and go long off of that. Now, in the perfect world, go long before you even get to the 500s, and that'll just be like, where you can raise your stop to. But I kind of want to go long off the 9 EMA. I don't know if we're going to get
Uh-huh.
much. Hopefully we don't.
We were just like 10 minutes for 9 EMA on 5 minutes, so let's see if we can push through. I don't think there is a lot of volume right now happening, so we'll have to wait a little bit.
Oh man. Yeah, you're right about that. These holiday weeks, man, the volume is poop. So right now there's a 2 tick spread right now on NQ, which is super rare.
See, we are flirting with my stop loss here. Okay, 473.25. Well, 3 ticks, we came down 3 ticks away from my stop loss and came back up. Looking good.
Oh, I missed it. Let me go back to the 5 minutes, see if I can catch a pullback on there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what happened. Okay, cool. I'm expecting a pullback to okay, 34.58. That's where I'm gonna place my first order. 34.58.
58. Yeah, makes sense.
And then we could easily yeah, I think that's a good place to build a position. I would add to it if we got down as low as 45. But that's right where my stop is. So basically two separate positions. Goodness gracious. What a day, what a day, what a day.
Indeed.
Yeah, there's no reason why I couldn't just push through. It could, but
Yeah, I just stopped the position and let's see. Let's see. I
Like that. Yeah.
Carlos still here? What is he looking at, bro?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Mm, you're lurking.
There's not much going on, man. Not much. No
True.
volume.
It's not moving very fast. We're not getting like, there's those nights where you get like 20, 30, 50 point candles. We're not seeing that right now.
Mhm.
Uh,
Based off the charts, I mean, we're supposed to go up, but might be a very slow move.
Yeah, some
Patience.
just got to find a place
Patience.
to go long
mm,
and set it and forget it.
yeah,
Mhm.
But I want a good entry.
we are back at the 5 minute 9 EMA right here. So we might touch the 14 SMA maybe.
I might go for an aggressive entry in a second. I like this level. This is consolidation, but if it breaks through that consolidation, we're going to see a little bit more downside. So I hope it doesn't. But um, like you said, that 14, I like
But,
the idea of going long at that 14 if we can get there.
but it's funny because we again rejected the 80s. So
Yeah. But I think this is getting the win that it needs to break through these 80s. But it's going to pull back some fierce first. Maybe not as fierce as I'd like it to. Here's the sevens.
You can almost go on a 5 second right now and then think like you're trading any other chart, like a 5, 10 minute. Except it
mm,
just moves a little faster on the
yeah,
candle, but
yeah,
since
but it's
it's
still the candles are too low, and you have a lot of these unfinished candles, a lot of gaps. So I would wait for a little bit more
that's
liquidity
true.
or a little bit more volume to step in, and then yeah, then 100%. Like,
So basically, wait for London opens.
yeah, I mean, maybe just half an hour, and
This is
then we'll get that 1 hour of a moving market
I'm
like
taking the first
yesterday.
entry here.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm in at 34.65.50. Two contracts. Something slight. Something slight. If we can get down to the 50s, then I'll be adding to this position. I really like this setup, so I'm actually probably gonna add this trade on multiple accounts.
Yeah,
And
I
get in.
never liked having the same trades. I mean, I trade at the same time on several accounts. Only if, yes, if I can like copy trade them. Oh, wow.
Yeah, usually I would copy trade, but I'm just gonna do limit orders with stop loss and everything kind of preset a little bit lower if we can. If we can, anything under 61, anything under 61, I'll take do an aggressive entry. Like all the way under 61, 61 flat. So like at least in the 60s. So I can't play around on this account. This account is not one of them ones to play with. Oh, it's gonna shoot up. Oh, oh, okay. Almost there.
Order filled.
All right, I got stopped out of one, but I'm now in another with a new stop and entry. It's funny. really. Just could have lowered my stop, but it looks good.
Hmm.
Okay, right about, we're almost there. So close.
Went in.
I think this is the bottom. We're about to push. I don't want to risk too much here, though. So wait and see a little bit lower. But if I don't, that's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Looks like it's not. It's done going down. Just long enough to stop me out of that first position. That's cool because I'm green on the next one. Oh no. Okay. It didn't stop me out of anything. So
Oh, wow, okay. That's even better.
all it did was add to my position. I went from one contract to three. So mm, nice.
I'm in two from 462.75.
That's good. Yeah, that was good. That was a good entry.
What did you say? 458, bro. You were spot on. Look, the low was what? 458?
Mhm.
457.25. Nice.
Okay, yeah, there was like no drawdown if I just put a limit order, but I don't like to do that all the time because sometimes you'll get a violent push, and could get a better market order and you might get stopped out and all that good stuff. But yeah, I was just looking at the flag and I don't know if that's even done, but the risk to reward is good.
It's the reward is lovely.
Okay, well, looks like I will get a chance to enter on another account after all.
Yeah, we might fix this week on 1 minute. I would hope not because my stop loss is already there. I had to keep it tight. But let's see.
Um, I don't know if the sellers got what they came for yet. That's the problem. Yeah, I refuse to enter anything on this account unless it's under 61. Because this account, I can't really afford to be wrong. So I need a really good entry. Come on. A little bit lower, you can do it. I mean, it already went there. I just didn't have my order. So if I missed it, I missed it.
There, you have it now.
Oh, no. Stay there for a second.
I'm stopped out.
Ouch. Ouch. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know how much I like this.
Fix the week. I'm back in.
Hey. Uh,
And now I needed to push. If it doesn't push, then I was wrong and that's it. Um, but we had on 15 seconds and on 1 minute we had that week that we just fixed. And We might go, but who knows? Or not. Or not.
So either way, right now we got a solid candle body close where there was wicks, and it's a red
Mm,
candle. I don't like that. That shows me that the sellers that were defending this area of support, they kind of got weak. So if price does try to push down again, I think it's gonna go down, uh, and the buyers aren't gonna be able to defend the low of the last candle in 5 minutes. So that's what I'm reading. That's what these candles are saying right now. Um, but the next place to go long would be 446.
mm. Yeah, and I got stopped again. I think this account is done. Okay.
Probably about to get stopped out,
Uh,
pushing through this support, and then we have this support right here. I would expect some of this to hold up though. Like 447, I mean, I'm counting on 447 to hold up. There's a lot of consolidation over here. Like an hour's worth.
Stop filled.
Here we go. Give me 4 more points. Okay, yep, we just hit my stop on the other account.
okay. I'm short here.
I don't know if I
I
can.
went short, almost TP already. Come on. It's a 9 point trade, 9 point scalp. Come on, take it. Shall I close it manually here? $500 up. I should probably close it, right?
Give me 1 more point down.
There we go.
Come on,
No.
push, push.
Jeez, Louise. 447. I had point and a half from my TP and back to break even. Come on down.
Good. It's coming down, all right. Red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle.
Yeah. Just got stopped out. I made 70 cents. The slippage is crazy, bro. I'll just say that. And it should have been 50, $60. Okay. You said next target for the long is what, 440?
445,
Uh,
about
yeah, just
34.45. That's what I was waiting for. We came to 446, and yeah, right. Basically, my entry for longs was your TP, so that was perfect. But
yeah, but
come
we
in.
bounced 2 points higher.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now we are getting some violence. I missed my entry. Watch the move only. Or
I'll be pushing. Mm-mm. Find out it's time for a red.
No.
Oh, it's pushing. All
Yeah,
right.
oh yeah, I'm long 457, but I'm not very. Let's see.
First touch of the 9 EMA since it flipped.
Oh wow, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but that little pocket I was aiming for at 45 had a lot of liquidity right there. So
Oh,
a lot of orders sitting there.
oh wow, bro, I'm up heavily.
Yup.
I will
Yup.
go for 495 because this is pushing. Let's go. Wow, wow, bro, bro. I think I have to take some out here. Come on, don't be stupid.
I was just thinking, are you gonna trim, bro?
Yeah, I'm trimming here. I'm trimming. So it's 1,500 profits. Oh my God, it's so like it take my money. Okay, 22 filled. Not even 22, but it didn't take enough. Come on, go. Okay, I'm trimming here. Okay, so I have 15 runners. 15 stop sell, right? Because I'm in long, that will put in profits. But now, see, with all this lag on trading view, total PNL. Okay, okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, I
Now,
should have added here. I
yeah,
should have stayed. Wow. Okay.
I think we're gonna.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's gonna give me one little pullback before it does its thing on. Is that all I'm gonna get? I get
Nah, I don't think so. We might see a small pullback maybe because this was very aggressive move up, but
And usually the buyers just buy up and they pull back after something like that. So let's see right here. Can you get 72? 72, 72.
I stopped bunch of my positions, my bunch of contracts, and then now it's bouncing. Okay, I'm still green on a trade. Let's go.
There we go. On through them 80s. It's taking her through there. Price finna take her through there. Bam. Here you go. Don't stop now. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, that was where I wanted to go at 75. That was cool.
Order
I'll
filled.
take that. I'll take that.
Okay, I'm about to get stuck here. Yeah, I'm out of the position, but I think I made like 1,400. 1240. Okay, that's fine. That was crazy. Now let's see where we can pull back and re-enter here. All right, 30 seconds, 9 EMA. This may have been a good odd. I don't like the 2-minute candle, but
Oh, I'm still in. Oh, snap. I'm still in from the lows. Okay.
let's
I'm in from
go.
58.
Let's go.
I didn't even know it. Didn't even know it. Okay, cool. I thought it stopped me out of everything. It just stopped me out of the two contracts.
I'm back in.
All right, I'm in at 75 and 48. So let's see. I'm pretty sure we're about to bust through these 80s and then go test that 500 level I was talking about.
Yeah,
So
504 is my TP.
there you go. Oh, snap. Dun, 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 dun. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, we're getting that nice lag. My profit gotta, my P&L gotta catch up with the lag. Here we go. We done broke the 80s. I'm gonna take profit and get back in.
I added here on this small pullback on
Order
5
filled.
seconds, so
I'm just gonna do
I'm almost full porting this thing.
this account's about to be done. That's why I had to just take really small profits. That $15 that I just made, that's a whole nother trade I can take on this account. Because if I lose one trade, it's over with.
Hmm. Look, 15 by 15 is better than losing $15. So
Yeah, exactly. Now I can actually afford to lose a single trade, which I hope I don't have to. But usually, when we push through the 80s, there's a pullback under the 80s, and then
and then
a violent
continuation. Yeah.
pullback. Yeah, I just don't know exactly what number it's gonna stop at, but I feel like I'm gonna get another chance. Okay. All right, we got a new subscriber. All right, guys. Hey, look, if you're watching, just do us a favor and hit the like button, man. Hit that little thumbs up right there. We actually gave some really good entries tonight. You
Not
know,
only tonight, bro. Not only tonight.
yeah, every night we give good entries, but today was like few ticks away from the bottom. So you had like the least drawdown in a long time, and boom. Today was like what do you mean? I don't even know. All right, we pushed through. So now I'm expecting a continuation to the we're gonna get a quick move up to the 90s. The 500's probably gonna
Oh,
take a little while.
okay. I
And
got stopped from a bunch.
I'm expecting a continuation to the 90s. 500's probably gonna take a little while. we got a nice candle close above the 80s. So the buyers are proving that, you know, they can hold up above the 80s
Mm-hmm.
on the 5 minute, which is cool. I'd really like to see a close above the 80s on the 15 minute. We got a nice candle close above the 80s. So
I just did not take my limit order to buy more. Have to go market then.
I'd really like to see it close above the 80s on the 15 minute.
I just did not take my limit order to buy more. I added at the top. Okay. Oh, and okay. And I'm out. Out. Okay.
Yeah, we're coming close to that 15 minute candle close. So the buyers and sellers are fighting over this level to see, because the sellers know if we close above 80, then it's those shorts are gonna get squeezed. Sellers know if we close above 80, those shorts are gonna get squeezed. It's the longest 3 minutes of my life. It always is when we're waiting on a key level. It seems like candle closes usually do gravitate towards key levels and show us, what's going to happen. And if you don't see a key level, you're probably looking at the wrong time frame. It's either a key level or EMA.
You're showing my screen, right?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not in the trade right now. I see you're kind of in something.
I'm scalping. I'm trying. I went back in here. So
You gotta charge your tablet, bro.
yeah. I have to take the port
Yeah.
extension here outside.
Yeah, we finally pushed above.
Mm,
All right, so let's see
we
if we
just
can
need to
close
continue.
it. Yeah, we need a candle close.
495. I want to see a little bit high. 498.
I think we're gonna squeeze.
Extension here. Just need to continue. You're listening to some fire stream there.
These guys are the best, bro. I don't know how they do it, but they always short the only short of the
I
session.
tell you how they do. They pay the price of patience. They invested in themselves, and now they are getting rewarded.
That's the dream. Currently up. Okay, yeah. So once again, we have a one contract 30 pointer on a slow session. That's actually pretty good. This is
That's very nice.
very nice. Very nice.
Very nice, very nice. Hello, everyone tuning in. Let us know in the comments what you're trading if you're trading, and tell us why you're not trading if you're not trading.
What are you waiting for? But genuinely, what are you waiting for? That's the real question. Not the phrase. We really mean it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We got that candle close above the 80s. So now every pullback is longable. Longable.
Longable, yeah. Oh, well, I wanted to add, but it's already back up. So let's see. Probably should not add here.
Getting a nice pullback. Nice pullback here. Yeah, I'm expecting to squeeze. We're gonna see some 90s real soon. Real soon. And since we got an inverse head and shoulders to fill, I think I'm just gonna forget that other account is even in the long.
Okay, let's go.
There's the 90s. All right, what I say, and what's next? The 500's gonna take a little while, but once we break through that, it's gonna move pretty fast.
Do I want to take full TP at 500s or not? That's the question that I'm asking myself right now.
That is the question. All I know is next time this 5 minute touches the 90 MA, I'm going pretty heavy.
I know what, I will just leave it here. My tip is 498. That should be around $1,400 again. So let's go. Just take it.
This is the breakout we've been waiting on. So yeah, I do want to. Jeez.
No, I will take less here. I will take less here. So let's say 35. 35 at 498. And then I can take 10 more. A little bit higher. There we go. What? Oh no. What did I do?
Oh man.
We have these 2 weeks. So I would aim for those 2 weeks and 5 minutes, like 496 is my first TP. There we go. Nice. Nice.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's real nice.
I secured 2K already. That's lovely.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry that I did not take this trade on the funded account, but okay. I wasn't, to be honest, I wasn't sure that you're gonna see that kind of a move.
Mhm. I'm getting ready to take profit. Nah, I'm not gonna take profit. I'm not gonna take it. But we're gonna pull back pretty hard on the next pullback. I think it's gonna come to like 466. We're gonna dip back under these 80s one more time. Should
That
probably
would be
match.
a nice entry.
Better get aggressive and do like, because I got left out of this rally. I better get aggressive and do like 468.
I'm gonna take 5 more contracts out here. At least I'm trying, but it doesn't want to take it. Okay. 5 runners with a stop loss in profit. I'm gonna put it at break even to cover this previous 5 minute candle low. 1 minute 9 EMA. Let's see if we are bullish that much.
I tried to exit the trade. By the time I got over to the right account, down $20. So that was not fair. It's gonna take a while to break that 500 level. That's it's an hourly level. It's not super strong or anything. Like it can definitely get broken, but it's not. The first
Yeah.
try is not going to be that easy. You have to wear it down a little bit.
Oh, okay, it's moving.
Back to the 90s. Yeah, I really need to see an upper wick. This candle is not going to be the last one that goes up. We need one more candle that pushes up. And then when we get that wick above the 500s, and then it wicks back down, that's when we're going to start the pullbacks. I think we're done pushing up. Yeah.
And what I see on tiny time frames here, so I will try. I will try here.
Yeah, longs actually look good here. It's not a bad place to go on. As long as you're not trying to do too much.
No, no. No, no, no.
Possible we could just shoot through that 500, but no. Let's see. With volume like this, I don't really see it.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's a turtle race.
I will close this. I'm just. I don't want to risk unnecessarily. Total PNL for now is 2054, so there's no need to give anything back.
That sounds very nice, actually.
That sounds wonderful, bro.
Yeah, great. He said it. He said I'm full port in this thing, and he did it. He did it
Almost,
right though.
almost, yeah. Mm. But I still like this market structure, to be honest, in 5 seconds. I mean, call me crazy, but just looks like that another push is loading here. If
Yeah.
you take these lows at 85, then okay, I will change my mind. Stay a little bit more patient, but look, we keep bouncing from 85, 86.
See this 90 in May. Come on, Cletus.
Now I'm gonna risk it here. Oh, I have to charge this thing. Yeah, nope. Nope. Okay. Okay. I'm out.
Let me get 60 anything and I'm all for it.
Yeah, no, this was expected, and we took my first TP there perfectly. We took those 2 weeks here on the left, so that was perfect. But I just wanted to,
In a good place.
again, risk to reward was there, so I'm okay.
Order filled.
I'm gonna scalp a little itty bitty something right here. So we're bouncing off the 9, but it's not done pulling back. It is not done.
I'm tempted to spot some short. Uh,
Order filled.
no. Okay. Ah, oh my God! I just wanted to click buy. Come back down.
Yeah, we could get a bounce off this 9 EMA that don't come back, or we could drop to the 60s real quick. I'm counting
60s.
on the
Okay.
60s.
Okay. I'm long from more or less the bottom of this pullback. So let's see. I want to see some kind of continuation here. Right, like BOS break of structure on tiny time frames, then I can zoom out. Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind.
Wonder what the Dow is doing. The Dow is probably moving clean as hell. You know, everything was negative today, but the Dow was up. So the relative strength of the Dow is
Hmm.
perfect. Actually, I think it hit new all-time highs today.
No, that's crazy. That's
Yeah.
interesting. I mean, it's not crazy. Nothing is crazy anymore in this market, but it's interesting.
Yeah, it's a rotation. It's a rotation. And if you're just tuning in, welcome to the Price of Patience, man. We appreciate y'all for watching, supporting. Just watching is supporting. So really appreciate that. If you're tuning in right now, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up, man. If you've been in here, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, tells the algorithm, send more people our way so we can do some cool stuff, man. Hit the thumbs up if you want to see us do some account giveaways, some 25K, 50 account giveaways. Hit the thumbs up if you
Mhm.
want to see, some excellent entries. Hit the thumbs up if you want to see us, reach 500 subscribers and give away a 50K account. You know, so many things we can do with your support. So appreciate y'all for coming out. For whatever the reason, some people come out because they wanna see us do TA. Me and Nick are great at TA. Carlos is great at TA. Some people come out because they just want to see how we're handling, these waves and NQ. See where we're going long, where we're going short, live, so you can get in with us. Some people are getting in here just to see what our goals are, our targets are. There's so many reasons. So, whatever it is for you, appreciate y'all.
Hmm.
There it is. The 9 EMA is holding for now. Now we're at the beginning of a 5-minute candle. Let's see how this candle closes.
Give me a second. I have to charge this. I have to go get the charger.
Oh, you're fine.
Can we push while I do that?
I think so.
Let's go. Check at 5 minutes now. Yeah, this was nice. Let's go to 20s now. My tip is 519. Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, good. We're green. Back in the 90s. So much for the 60s. Well, I wouldn't count them out yet. See 3 minutes if we can get the green candle close here and prove it. But if the sellers aren't lurking right here to push this thing down, I'd be surprised. So happily surprised because I'm in longs, but surprised nonetheless.
Okay. Okay. That's what I like to see.
Yeah, we had a nice push. Let's push back into the 90s. Let's see if we can retest the 500 level again.
On 520s immediately. No, 500s. Let's go. Let's just push through.
If we push through, then it's looking good.
And again, we reclaim the 80s, push to the 20s.
Just got that pesky little 500 level right between us, right betwixt the 80s and the 20s. I'll be right back.
Yep. Carlos, did you trade anything today or? Okay. Yes, Carlos is not here at the moment. Yeah, this trade looks good so far, so would be nice that it continues. I should probably take some profits off here, but I did it earlier and we had a continuation higher, so I don't want to do the same thing again. Even if I get stopped, I'll be good for the day, for the session, so. There we go. Halfway to the target. Very tempted to close some here. It would be stupid not to, I think. Set the sell order for 30 contracts just above this candle. And then the runners can go. Okay. What kind of pullback is this? 1 minute until the candle close. Let's check the 1 minute. Okay, bouncing from the 9 EMA. That's nice. Set this at 5,950. I don't like this momentum wave stopping slowly on 1 minute for now. 30 seconds also bounce from the 9 and 14 SMA. I'd like to see a push in next 30 seconds. Doesn't feel like it at the moment. So what I'm gonna do here, I will just take, well, it keeps pulling back here. Okay, why my limit order is not being taken? 10 contracts, okay, 11. Just take it. There we go. And we can leave some runners now. We can leave runners. This was also a good place to add. I should have not taken anything here, but okay, money is green, see green, take green. So, yeah, okay. I cannot turn, okay. Stop sell. There we go. Okay, guys, so it seems like we are pushing. We are continuing to push. Our target is 520s. I just took most of my profits, most of my contracts out. So I said next TP at around 540, but yeah, I think the real TP should be around 20. So let's see what will happen, how it will play out. What I might do, I might take 10 more at the 20s as my original TP, and then leave just 5 runners. Mm.
I 504. Okay.
Yeah, bro, we are pushing. I was up nicely, then we pulled back. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take bunch of my contracts out. And of course, now we are continuing. So I'm still tempted here to add maybe a little bit. Because if I haven't touched anything and we reach the 520, that was my target for the day. So I'm not sure how should I play this, to be honest. Maybe I just take more profits here and wait to see. This is now 30 seconds double top. We usually see a slight pullback whenever we saw that kind of thing. So you know what, these 10 contracts are going out here. There we go. And now I'm okay. Now it can push, it can pull back. I'm ready for whatever. Um,
Yep.
now
Yep.
what did I say? Look at it. Look at it pulling back.
Perfect.
Um,
Perfect. Yeah, now we
yeah.
have confluence. The 14. I really want to get in at the 14 right now. Uh, I really want to add at the 14. I'm already in on one account that's in from 48. I don't see that, you know, going negative. I think we might actually pull back to those. Is that what is that? 60s? I think it was the 60s. Yeah, the 14's right around 81. So 81 is on the table. Oh man.
Good. I have a nice buffer here, and we are like what 15 points away from my entry. So I'm really tempted to add here. Um,
Possible. We're doing another consolidation below that 500 level. I was saying that
yeah,
it's
yes,
gonna take a little while.
same what you said with the 80s. We did below the 80s, and then we had to move up. So, and this is 3 minutes, 9 EMA approaching. Uh,
Okay, come right to the eight.
uh,
My limit order. Let's go.
well, okay. I will put my stop loss a little bit lower, so I will give room to a 5 minute 9 EMA to hold us because my stop loss was exactly at the 9 EMA. So I just want to make sure that it doesn't stop me and then it goes.
There now, but a little bit more would bring us where I need us to be in the 80s. Come on to the 80s.
Okay, let's go. Oh wow.
Some buyers are really just setting crazy limit. What there's like a buy wall at the 9 EMA right now. So let's see if the sellers can get through it because they are pushing. Sellers are trying to take control right now.
Mm,
Can they do it? No, they can't.
mm.
Like,
Oh, we actually touched the 9 EMA in 5 minutes. The 9
mm,
EMA came higher.
yeah, there's
Oh my god, this was my entry. No, no, don't go without me. Don't go without me.
well, no, the lowest we got was like 89.25. It's good.
Well, I mean, and I will keep my stop loss super close. No, don't take it here immediately. Come on. Yeah, okay. I'm stopped. But I will re-enter, bro. I will re-enter. I don't care. This looks good. But by the time I do everything, this thing can run. Look at it. Come on, let's go. Now push to the 20s. Let's go. Let's go.
I one account's gonna be so happy in the morning.
Mm,
I think that thing's gonna go to
to the
like
moon
its whole
and
head and
back.
shoulders. About to get another 200 pointer. 200 pointer on with one contract. Crazy work.
Uh, I'm out. I just closed it for $50. I don't particularly like the way it moves. We might see a blast off now, but 2500 is secured, so I have time. I'm not in a rush. Yeah, that was a perfect decision. Let's see. Nope.
Yeah.
You know what? I need coffee. Yeah, yeah. It was. It will probably go higher, but yeah.
We touch that
No.
500 more time. I don't think the sellers can stop us from breaking through. But if we touch that 80 one more time, or not 80, we haven't even touched 80. We touch 80 one more time, go long.
Oh, let's go. Oh my God. What's happening here? Ah, okay.
We're gonna have a breakthrough.
Nope. Nope. But wait, 51. I need 53, right? So it should
This candle
2K. One
five.
per day, 1 per 2K. 2K. Oh wow. What? Let's go.
Yeah, the buyer said nope. Sellers ain't getting the candle today.
Uh,
INMA wins again. Trying to break the foo-foo barrier.
then just give me another 15 points from here. Let's reach the 520s. Then I can go make myself a coffee. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you.
It's happening.
10 more points. Oh my God, let's go. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Give me another push up. I'm gonna put my stop loss here, so I'm securing a 1K on the trade. Come on. Push. No.
Retest 504. Long at 504. How long the highs, bro? Because
Yeah, why not?
I just need to see us close above 504.
You know,
Just happened on the we just did it on the 1 minute.
let's go.
Need to climb up the time frame. 510, 511.
Yes, let's go. Let's freaking go. Come on. You know what? Uh, Nah, exactly when I wanted to close it. I'm out. Okay, I'm out. Don't be crazy. Now
Boom.
I need eight more hundreds, yeah, 800 more to fund the account. So I didn't want to risk these nice profits just for these 800.
And you did good.
Um,
You did real
yeah,
good.
it will give it to me now probably, but yeah. I should have. Oh my God! No! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! This would have been it. Oh, I love when I do smart things, and I love when I do smart things and it goes like, for example, now I took the profits, but it went my way, so it's a win-win, I guess. It's a win-win.
The whole session's been one direction.
Oh my God! Yeah, one direction. Okay, is it okay if I leave you for 5 minutes? I should go grab milk. I need coffee,
Go
bro.
for it. Go for it, bro. I got my tea over here. I'm
Thank you.
just watching the price climb up. I do want to see a retest of this hourly level so I can long in another account.
hmm And these are the 520s, guys. Oh my God, we reached my original TP from where? From the 80s. Okay. Yeah, but look, and it's keep pushing. I will FOMO in, I will revenge trade, so it's better that I move now. I'll be back in 5, 6 minutes.
Cool. Yeah, I think we're gonna reject the 20. We might push through them. This I don't
But
know,
you know
but
what?
it's
I can
it's,
take you
it's
with me
weird.
actually. Wait a minute,
Volume.
wait a minute. I will take you with me.
Yeah, there you go. It's weird volume, so I just don't know if we're gonna push through the 20s or like if we have do we have that kind of momentum right now with this squeeze or not? It's possible we don't. It's possible we don't. But I just know if we here we go. 115. Yeah, we're long since 458 over here. So that's 60 points. We're up 60 points on this long.
Bro, we nailed it again. Come on. We
Yeah,
just nailed it again.
absolutely. Absolutely.
How crazy is that? 3 weeks in a row. Okay, it's not the third week, it's not. Yeah, actually it is, but
These
just
were within like a tick of my stop loss and then took off. Crazy. All right, cool. So we are in the process of retesting the okay. Yeah, we're about to retest the breakout above the key level. Let me I'm gonna do it on my tablet. Where's my tablet? There we go. Just real quick. Ninja trade and Q. Come on. Come on. This thing is slow. It's gracious. I'm never gonna switch. Okay, good. I'm gonna miss it. Okay, okay, all right. It already pushed. Let's see. Can it come back
oh,
down? I might have missed the entry, re-entry for the ads, and I just wanted to scalp a little something.
Scalp.
Trying to catch a little scalp. I need them to let me be great.
I don't want to go in the store. I want to long this.
Yeah, I know the vibes. I've taken my tablet in the store so I can trade plenty of times. Plenty of times, man. I totally understand. Oh man, if it goes back to let me in, then I'll be looking at okay, it's gonna take 20 off the top. But that's cool. Look at the volume when we push through. That's what you want to see. Anytime you push through, you want to see volume like that. It's perfect.
Hmm. Yeah, well, I got stopped very quick. Then I go buy milk.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Coming, okay, a little lower. It's not low enough. I need single digit 500s. Single digit 500s, please. Thank you. And honestly, the 14 SMA would be good. Be nice. But single digit 500s is cool. Right here. Right here. Come on. No. Come on. Single digit 500s. What did I say? It looks good. It looks good. Can I get the 509 back? 509 special? No. My screen was like not trying to let me be great. I couldn't press the button at that time. It's crazy. Okay. Maybe another chance. Make sure my lock screen isn't locked on this tablet here. Right. I wouldn't even have to do that if I just right. Put a limit order. Let's just put a limit order. You don't even have to worry about that. Did we get in? No. I dodged my entry. That's crazy. It always does that. I always get like a little greedy with my entries and it just doesn't want to come all the way there. And I understand because my levels aren't exact, kind of eyeballing them, not whipping out the info box and figuring out exactly what's the high of these candles, what's the low of these candles. And it is working to my detriment right now. I'm not doing that. So probably should, but this blue line is not exact, but you see how it's being respected? It's being respected. So it's got to mean something. It's being respected by the buyers and the sellers on both sides of the line. So it's not like it's in the wrong place. Okay.
Okay, I'm here.
All right. You got everything you need from the store?
Oh, yes, sir. Some warm croissants and milk for my coffee.
Yeah, it'll be paid for by the market in due time.
Yeah. Yeah, but now it's pushing. No, no, I want to go in. Wait. Before I move from here, I want to go in. Buy.
Consolidating, so
Well, I
should
think
be
we are
okay.
breaking through.
Yeah, we might be breaking through the 20s temporarily, or maybe not, but it looks like temporarily. I'm just mad because it came all the way to my entry and it left me.
Mm. Well, you had a limit or you did not enter?
I did not have it. I didn't have a limit. I was trying to mark it in around 509 flat, and it came to like 509.50.
Mm. Okay, this is not eating my gains. 29, 51, 2, so 12 more, 1200. That's doable. 1200 is more than doable. Oh wow, not that kind of a slippage, bro. Slippage and volatility at the same time. It hit me. It tricked me. No, but we are up. So let's go. Let's continue now.
Just be careful. I don't know how long we can. We're at the top of the Bollinger Bands. We have been for the
Oh,
last like
okay.
hour though.
Okay.
Been there for like an hour, so it's like apparently it doesn't really care.
Uh,
But eventually it is gonna
it's
revisit the
gonna
middle.
flash violently, probably.
It's gonna come to the 14. So and it is about to be London Open, so
Yeah.
that's that. Ba. Gotta fuck 'em up.
Whoa.
All right.
Brother chose violence this morning.
Just a little bit.
It was the perfect amount.
Magical amount.
24 to 10 points. Can we get the 10 points here? That's a little bit, maybe too much. Maybe a little bit too much.
Wow, that is a nice push.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Let's put it right there. Come
And a nice retracement then. I'm out. Oh my God. Bro, I'm going crazy with this. Look, mamma mia. Okay. This
the
trading view
perfect
is
exit as
really
well.
like for scalping is not the perfect. I'm telling you, I prefer top step for scalping. Hotkeys configuration, and you can go in and out, adjust the contract. Now I should have closed the position with around $100. I'm not sure it gave me anything. Anyway,
It's not there.
it's a little bit yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Well, okay.
I get it, bro.
But okay, I could have clicked that button 5 seconds earlier.
3.5%. Nothing. Wow, this thing just keeps pushing. It's like relentless. So my TP, my auto-generated TP by my 5-to-1 setup is at 533.
Oh wow, we are getting there.
Yeah, I'm moving it up. Not taking that. Believe it or not, I believe, crazy as it may sound, that now that we're above that 500, um, there's no reason we shouldn't come to 560 and then 670. By the time New York opens, I am expecting us to be around that 650 area. So I will move my TP up there. It's going to be in the 600s. This literally been my only trade of the session. I've been trading this trade the whole session.
Nice. That's nice.
Oof. All right. That's all we need right there. 652. I think we're gonna go higher than that. I think we will see 3,800. We'll probably go to the 800s, which would be even better. Uh, shit. Okay. But 600 would be a nice little, that's going to be a $400 trade unless I add to it, which I'm scared to do. Okay, let's see.
A comment saying Randall Paul trader stopped by to say hi and good luck today. Never visited before. Well, hello, my friend. Thank you very much. I don't know when that was. Sorry if we missed it live.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Is it coming to wake me in? Can I get waked in? Let me know something. You know what? The risk reward is good enough that I can.
Pardon,
It's okay.
in kapis umarım.
Risk reward is good enough that I could get in above that 9. Come on. The 13, we're at 13. Come on, I can't even get 13. Okay, all right.
Order
Okay, I'll
filled.
take it. Ends up with 14.
You in?
Yeah, I just went long at 514. I was trying to get 513, but I couldn't until 514. So yeah, this is just us rejecting the 20s. I don't expect too much to come out of it. It's
Our
with
friend Randall here says, I think 610 is achievable, but we are farting around with the 476 level. 476. Let me zoom out a little bit because I'm super zoomed in. Well, yeah. If I zoom out even further out, I will say it again. What I said at the beginning of our stream. This low that we made yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. So for you guys, it's probably still same day, but I think we might come even lower. And if you take a look at the 1 hour candle from the lows, we don't have the lower wick at around 330, 30,000, 330 exactly. There is no lower wick on the
Stop
1 hour
filled.
candle. So let's not be surprised if we see some kind of a flush down and we continue later on, or we might even
Order
continue for
filled.
more.
beautiful. Okay, we just came and kissed the 14. Now this is where I expect things to get bullish again.
Hmm.
Oh shit. Come on now.
Yeah.
We're disrespecting that 14 now.
Acting a decision zone in the thin market. Oh, yeah. And this is the 5-minute 14 SMA, no? Okay. I need a coffee, bro. I'll be back in a minute.
All right. Very good. Now I need a violent move back above the 520s. Violent move back above the 520s. Just like buyers, I need you to aggressively step up. Sellers are talking mad shit about you. They don't fuck with them green candles. Yeah. Yeah, show them, buyers. Show them. Show them what happens when they come on your block. This is green candle territory. Grip the ground and crack a light. I'm a little bit tired, but we got a nice little push. I feel good about that entry around the fives. Again, here we go. We pushed right back above. What did I say? What did I say? We pushed smooth back above that level with a vengeance. We just came for liquidity. Let's go. First touch of that 14. What do we do? Blast off. Damn, I don't like that. Came on down, didn't he? Said 97. Okay. We back in there. Come on. Here we go. Oh, man. Keep hopping in the fours. I don't like that.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm back.
You made it.
Oh, I made it. I made it. Um, let's go run the poll. Let's go. I go give a follow to our friend Randall here.
Yeah, sounds good. Support for support. One for a like for a like. We got you.
Yeah. Eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Is it time to go in again?
Yeah, this is actually a great area to go on. I just got stopped out. They stopped me from being great.
Yeah, again.
Yeah. But
how is this now so much of what just happened? Did we get some kind of crazy volatility because the same stop loss that was earlier $300 now it's like $1,300? What's happening?
Yeah, we hit we almost touched the 15-minute 9 EMA. Now we're going crazy.
Just check something. 1200. So I don't even need this much. I just need one. Italia. And then it says that you're from Italy. Okay, this is a nice reaction here. 900, 1200, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Lovely. You managed to go in?
Now I got stopped out of my new position, but
Oh,
my old position's still going. I'm not closing it. I think it's going to the 600s, so just let this thing
I will
ride.
probably get that.
Yeah, we reclaimed the 504 level, so now it's 520, and then after 520, it's just gonna be like some pretty
Sky.
violent up moves, yeah. In fact, I kind of went along this right here, this pullback right now. No, it's not good.
5-minute cross of 9 MA would be my long. Okay. No, 5-minute, I guess. I think we are getting that. Although I'm on 5 seconds. What kind of cross? 5-minute cross of 9 MA. Yeah. Well, we did bounce off a 14 SMA. We reclaimed the 9 EMA. I just need to see one more push here because I'm very, very close. Funding this account. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, what the price action. Up and then down, and then up and then down.
Getting heavy. There we
Oh,
go.
no,
Okay.
no, I don't
Order
want to lose
filled.
this. I will put my stop loss into profit. Oh my god, shame. Shame. I was like $200 away from my TP. With a couple of points.
Sorry, we're not done. Falling back though, but we're not done.
Yeah, I'm not done at all. No.
Oh, this is perfect. It's perfectly retesting the 506 level that I have. I needed to close above that on 5 minute, and I think we will. If we close below that, though, it's not going to be good.
I think we're good. I think we're going up right now.
Okay, I hope we get a violent move up like we did down. Surprise me.
Yeah, but that was a 30 seconds retest of the 14 SMA. I think we're about to see a push here. Not because I'm long again, but
Yeah,
but here we go. There we go.
there we go. Yeah,
There we go.
Two accounts now, finally, and I am
Let's
not
go.
stopped out.
Let's go. That's 900. Come on, 300 more. Let's go. Push.
Push through those 20s. It's only our second try of the 20s.
That's true. I mean, we might push now. I mean, push through the 20s.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Go.
There we go. 11, 12,
Ew.
12, 60. Close it, close it, close it. Let me check the account. Let's go. Funded.
Funded. Another one.
Bro, but the crazy part is that this was a 1K drawdown from yesterday. So I total P&L for the day is 41.30.
It's nice.
Very nice. Okay, on to the next one. Let's freaking go. I have one more that I saved yesterday. And
Wow. Push. We pushed right off of my level, bro. It's
push.
crazy.
Let's go. Bro, I'm not surprised anymore. I'm not, I mean, I wasn't surprised, but it's, I think it became normal to me that price respects mostly your levels. I go with the flow, but
Yeah.
you're calling those levels like spot on. I like, yeah, I have the zones and the levels and I don't even need to look at the price. But bro, you've been calling out some pretty crazy levels.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I've
When
been.
when I say crazy, I mean they were crazily accurate. That's what I meant.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I thought you meant.
Yeah, good, good. Just
Yeah,
to make
you're
clear.
right. Yeah, you're right.
Good trade. I
Absolutely.
closed along. Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing pretty good right now. I'm up.
You're watching
Okay.
at the chat, bro.
No, let me check that out.
Check it out. Our brother Randall here is trading with us. I mean,
Oh
thank you
wow, we
for.
got some action over here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
610 is achievable, but we are fighting around with the 476. Oh, yeah, I saw that. Okay. Yeah, that's my stop loss, 479. So I don't want to see that.
Hmm.
That's the consolidation before the breakout. So we literally just use that as like a springboard, liquidity springboard to push up. 5 minute cross of the nine would be your long. Okay.
That already happened.
Yep, that sure did. Candle confirmed on the 5 minutes, so let her chop. Good trade. He closes long already at 520. Good. 520 was always a good exit on NASDAQ. This is the second try we're doing 520, so we could push through this time.
Yep.
And if we push through 520, I don't see us coming back anytime soon.
You know what I see next? 580.
Yeah.
560,
5.
560, 565. We had a bunch of weeks there on 5 minutes on the
Mm-hmm.
way down. So
Yeah.
we will probably reject there for a brief moment and then we see if we want to continue or not.
As long as we get above 520, it can do whatever it wants.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
My stop is immediately going under that. That's probably gonna stop me out if I say that. I don't know. I think I need to let it push to 60 and then pull back, and then 520 can be my thing. Really? Are we not ready to break out yet? What's going on?
Chop chop.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. Little chop here, a little chop there, here a chop, there a chop.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere a chop chop.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to see 513, 520.
Mm-hmm.
Buba,
Mm-mm.
dasz po noci.
Mm.
No to nie wolę, to mokro. No, cię.
Bube Schwabe.
Ja muszę dobre. Jedna mamy, nie? No, to
Pa.
mały pismo, ale kurczę, no, każdy tak chwilę.
But where is Carlos? Carlos disappeared on us, huh?
Gone like the wind.
Hmm?
He's gone like the wind.
Like the wind of change.
Wind of change. He came and he went.
Limit buy order at 484. Okay. I would like to see that, if I'm honest.
Yeah, I
And and at
definitely
this, yeah,
I
at
see
this
where
point,
he's
if we
going.
reach there, I'm not sure I won't. I would go along there. I would need to see something. 15.
Like a little liquidity pocket there. He's targeting. That's cool. I just want to see. Oh my gosh. Gosh darn.
Oh,
Let me
yeah.
take some profit up here. All right. I'm closing this
Order
down.
filled.
Fudge.
Hard.
Yeah, I had to close one of them, but I just want a better entry on that one. But yeah, the one that I'm gonna let run overnight, I'm chilling on that one. You can come to 484 if it wants. My stop is at 479.50. Underneath all that. Because I see what he's saying. It's like, okay, it's a bull flag. So bull flags typically do sweep some lows for liquidity before they push, right? But the only thing that I would consider is that we have that 506 hourly level. And as long as that holds, as long as we stay above 506, we're consolidating for another move up from there.
Okay.
So
There's
we're
just,
getting a
yeah,
lot of whip.
sure. It's just, yeah. I'm just looking at the chart, trying to, you know,
Mm-hmm.
trying to see what you're saying on the line. But again, we discussed on this channel already, about different people, um, how every trader has its own his own levels, his own strategies, his own confirmations, indicators, whatnot. So yeah, I mean, we can all make money with different strategies, different rules. We can all lose money with the same strategies. So it's whatever works for you.
Yeah, I like a conservative approach. If you're targeting a deep pullback in the trend every time, that's good. Like if you were to put this chart into AI would probably say around that level would be good because there's like a trend line on the bottom of this, and we're pushing at the top of the trend line, but the bottom of the trend line would bring you to those 480s. We could still come there, but I just don't want to see us break this 506 anytime soon. Today Tuesday. It's Tuesday. New Rick and Morty came out the other day. I just watched it yesterday.
Wait, Rick and Morty are still coming out?
Season 9, bro. Season 9 is out
Bro,
this year.
crazy. Crazy.
Episode 4, season 9. A lot of new shows came out this year. A lot of new seasons and shows.
Truth to be told, I'm not watching anything. I'm watching F1 and WRC. That's my go-to, and I
Mhm.
think I will even cancel the F1 subscription because it's becoming a reality show more than racing.
Nah.
And then we have these DTM races, and those are pure racing. It's just really pure racing. So, but they never followed. So I don't know. Maybe I switch to that.
Okay.
I was watching so many shows constantly, and then I realized like whenever I would go to sleep, I would end up watching the show for 2, 3 hours, and then I would wake up all effed up in the morning. And then I was like, you know what? Nah. At least at this point.
For now. For
For
now.
now, for now, yeah. I love to watch a good show, especially when you have several seasons out, so you can just go for it. You don't have to wait every week for an episode.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think there's something I wanted to watch. I've been seeing on Instagram. I'll probably watch tomorrow. I got a friend coming over tomorrow. Just gonna hang out and probably watch some of this show. It's a funny
Yeah.
show. I'm gonna grab some fruit. I'll be right back.
Well, let's go. Let's go. Give it to 500 and maybe a structure shift to 700 towards New York Open. Well, I guess everything is possible. Let's not forget that we have the first FOMC with the new chair. Um, so that could be volatile probably today. So let's see. Let's see. I'm curious if yesterday's pullback was a preparation for today. We can go higher, or it was just the beginning of maybe something bigger. But again, since we called the bottom last week on 4 hours, this has been the bottom at the 700s, 28 700s. We called it perfect. Actually, Donovan called it perfectly. I said that before that I want to see the wick get fixed. Day after that, the week got fixed, and Donovan was like, you know what? I don't see reasons why would we go lower, and we never went lower. So I'm curious to see. I'm very curious to see what happens today for the New York.
Thank you, Charles. Yeah.
Uh, okay, so this is chop chop. We have 40 minutes before the London Open. We already got used to this chop 1 hour before the London Open, and this is I don't know which day in a row that we are having a move 2 hours like that 1 hour that starts 2 hours before the London Open. Then we chop for an hour, and then we will probably have some kind of reaction on London Open, but nothing crazy. We'll have to wait like half an hour, and then continuation of the movement up or down. I don't know, but just the movement.
Yeah, it's the same like this every Asian session.
Yeah, yeah.
I think our friend in the chat might have spotted this pattern a while ago, but On the 5 minute, I'm seeing like a pennant, like a bullish pennant pattern.
Let's go, because I'm just looking at my low time frames and I'm thinking about firing a long here because we bounced several times here. 502. Let's see. I'm not super convinced that we will bounce from here, but at this point, my risk to reward is more than good. Yeah, I'm long. Probably. What? What? I don't know. I just gave it a go. First trade on the funded account. Uh, it seems like it will be a small loss, but that's fine. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see.
Hard to say.
Yeah, it's a loss. Well, okay. Like $100. That's okay. It was probably a little bit too early. Just a little bit too early. Maybe it's that. Let's give it another go here. I would aim just for the recent highs, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, this is a good entry here. I like that.
Yeah, but the slippage again got me a few ticks higher than I wanted, so okay.
Around 503 is good.
Exactly that. 503.75.
Mhm.
I wanted to enter it. Actually, it gave me 1 point slippage, okay. Our friend here says, look at the 15-minute 9 and 20 EMA as a reference. Okay, we can do that. I would just, okay, I can do it here. Okay. 15, so 9. We're usually looking at the 9 EMA and 14 SMA. So I have to add another EMA here. Let's see. What did we say? 20. Okay. Oh, I got stopped again. Dang it. Yeah, we are bouncing actually again from the 9 EMA.
Yeah, the 9 EMA is being.
Yeah, just when I turned on this 20 EMA and 9, and I have our 14 SMA. This 14 SMA is exactly in the middle. Hmm.
On the 15, we're just making a perfect bull flag. A perfect bull flag right now. So, yeah, I would expect some momentum to come in off of the 9 EMA, but again, it's 506 level. Like, good luck seeing if we get a 15-minute candle close under 506. All right, cool. So then we can see the further downside. But until then, the buyers are buying up everything under 506 before that 15-minute candle closes.
Only thing I don't like, look at the 5 minutes. If we close it like this, I think we're coming down.
I'll take everything
I
over.
just said, oh wow, okay.
Here comes the 15-minute 9 EMA. So we'll see if that can hold up. If not, and it's coming a little lower.
3450 was the 9 and 14. 3450, yeah, we dipped below. So yeah, okay. Let's look at that. Let's look at that.
I know we're going to get a quick bounce here, but are we going to hold? Let's see. Let's see if we can hold.
Well, I fired up a long. I like what I saw. Call me crazy, but in 5 seconds. Very tight, very, very tight stop loss. So I don't like this trigger wave to the downside. Okay. I did not want to change bias for shorts yet, but maybe that should have been a play. But again, as you said, everything was bought up. So
We'll see. We'll see. We need 3 minutes until the candle closes. That's when the buyers are gonna
yeah,
make or break it. You know, it's hard for me to speculate because I'm in at 458. So it's like I haven't added, don't really plan on adding unless I see a ridiculous pullback, like a ridiculous pullback, and I know
Well,
it's still going up. Like a deep pullback, I'll add on, but I want it to be such a good ad that I'm not worried about it ever coming to that level after I go in
mhm.
there.
Now I'm getting those vibes like short the bottom, but I will stay put. I am not touching anything. If I'm gonna do something, I will try another long. I'm already late. Let's see.
Because right now it might, I don't know. I think the 80s will hold because it's the 80s we're talking about.
It is, yeah. It is.
And this would be the first touch of the 80s since we broke above and established all that. So it's like, yeah, I don't see the 80s breaking down on us that easy unless we had like, well, the London Open could be a catalyst for some
Mm-hmm.
volatility.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's the type of volatility that could, depending on the night, it could melt through some levels like they're not even there. But we don't know if it's one of those nights or not. So if you're out there and you're not sure what to do, play it safe. Do not be in a trade at London Open.
Yeah, exactly. I'm getting stopped here. Of course, I changed to my 700 on my fund. That's not a good start, but okay, not end of the world.
Yeah.
Not the end of the world. And I'm still tempted to go again for a long. It just feels like it. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but definitely feels like it. 9 EMA, 15 minutes.
Yeah, this is a definitely, it looks like a great entry. I'm not gonna lie, especially if your stop is under the 80s. Yeah, hard to lose. We came a long way from the top though.
Well, I gave it one more go, one more try. For 530s, that's a long way. That's almost 40 points. With 30 minutes before the London Open, I don't know. Our friend here says I've changed my buy order at 3 micros at 455 as an algo trade target. I don't know what that means. Algo trade target. 455. Okay.
Well, we did close a 15-minute candle under that 906, so it's not a good look.
Yeah, but we are also bouncing from the 9 EMA, I think. So let's see. And we still have 13 minutes until the close.
And
So
but now
let's see.
506 is going to act as resistance. So if we get up to 506, I'm actually more likely to short it than go long just until we sweep those lows. The next lows that we could sweep to get some liquidity for a push is around the 458 area, which is around my entry. I don't really like that. I don't like that at all. Crazy if it came all the way down there.
Off. Off. I should have closed this. I'm out. I'm out. Close it, bro. This is not playing. Now I want to short the bottom and just.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
All right.
Not yet. Not yet. There's gonna be people that step up here. I'm just thinking if I'm a buyer, I'm stepping up
Whoa.
again, right?
Whoa.
Right.
What
But
the heck?
but
What the heck?
be prepared for a roller coaster, my friend, because the sellers
I don't, bro. Yes.
the sellers are coming right now. The sellers are coming. The sellers are coming.
Bro.
Paul Revere out here.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Yeah, I just closed my long because I think I'm gonna be able to get in at the same price.
Hmm.
And
Well, my long would have been nice now, but I would have been stopped first, so never mind. I'll be back in 30 seconds. I just need to repark the car.
cool. Right. So I am waiting for a pullback to go along. I just think if we can't close this 15-minute candle over 506 that we will be coming back down. Um right now it looks good, but we're flagging. It's the beginning of a flag, the fourth, fifth candle of the flag. Possible we could break out here, but I don't believe it. So correct me if I'm wrong. We need a solid candle body close where the wicks are, or we're gonna reject and go under 506. And we gotta hold for 10 minutes up here. Yeah, possible. Possible. We didn't sweep any lows.
Oh my god. What the heck happened here, bro? It's crazy. This could have been my trade.
Excellent. Excellent push.
Ah, what can be the target here? If we regain the 20s, then 80s again, huh?
Yeah. I don't think it's ready yet, though. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's time to short it. Sounds crazy, but I think I want to short it right here. I just grab one contract to go short.
Order filled.
I like that. That at 21 is definitely a good value. Like risk reward is great right here.
Mm.
If it breaks through the 20s, it's going to do it quick and fast and stop me out. If it rejects, which I think it will, we're going to go under 506. So I'm at least getting 15 points on this.
Or maybe I will just follow because I just got stopped out from my short long that I tried here. Let's try. So, but now I'm just. This was a complete revenge bullshit trade. Pardon my French. Yeah, okay. I just reached my daily loss limit on the funded account. Not a great start, but nothing's over yet.
Yep, you live to trade another day.
Yeah, you see what's crazy? Like I make 4K on the evaluation, then I get funded. I mean, then I try the funded account and I do this.
Yeah, these charts, man, they hypnotize you. Make you see,
Yeah, yeah.
stare at them too long. That's what happens. Oh man, let's see. Okay, so far we're going okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're not great. We're not great. We're not amazing. We're just okay.
We are good. We are good.
Okay, we got another 8 minutes. You got 8 minutes to prove to me that I'm wrong. And if I'm really so wrong, then you can have $20 NQ.
Mm. Feel
I'm
free to change to your screen because I'm not.
Oh yeah, you're not in the trade yet.
Yeah, I
Um,
think I won't go in anything right now.
good.
Just checking if I should maybe buy another account or not. I don't know. Um,
Well, you're on the leaderboard for this session for Price of Patience podcast. So the Price of
oh,
Patience, because yeah, 4K, you got me by a long shot. Carlos is MIA, and I think I'm up maybe a little over 100 for the
what's
session.
MIA, please?
Oh yeah, that means he's
Something
he's
means
missing
what?
action, missing in action.
Mm, okay. MIA. Okay, okay.
One Carlos, please. Yeah, he's out of here. So
Yeah,
I'm
but
winning.
see what's fun. Okay, but you did 4,500 trades on 150K with one trade, and I scalped the hell out of the market. I was up, I was down, I was up, I was down, and finally made it. And we got the nice move up, so it was straightforward. Like I think all my gains were only longs. I'm not sure if I took any shorts.
Mm. I really wanted to short the 23, but I only was able to get 21. So now I really want to see this rejection. I want to see this turn into a wick like the candles that are over there before it.
Mm.
But if we get any sort of solid candle body close up where these wicks were to the left, instead of the sellers stepping up, that tells me that the sellers are done defending this area and we're going to push. Or it could just stop me out before we even get a candle body close. Let's see. So far, I've been up more than I've been down, but all it takes is one little push.
I only have 20 minutes until the London, so that's it.
Yeah.
Z.
I would assume we would liquidity hunt for London. And then once we find that liquidity we need, then we continue that push up. But I'm just a trader. The market can do whatever it wants. I'm just here to witness the greatness. Okay. Okay. Really? Really? Yeah, we're applying big pressure to these 20s. Big pressure, but we got 4 minutes. If I was on poly market right now, my bets would be on longs. I'm not gonna lie.
Hmm.
But I wouldn't want to go long unless I was under like what is that, 515? 515 would be better. Yeah. Looks like my trade would have been just fine if I had just held on for dear life. Almost there. Almost at my stop. We are at 28. My goodness. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm not tripping. I'm tired. Probably just call it a night personally. Yeah, but I don't think I'm wrong. But you never do think you're wrong until you're wrong. So
Yeah.
wow, 34 is it. So we're pretty much there. You're gonna don't be scared, NQ. If you're gonna do it, do it. I literally said you would.
Right, 48.5. Oh, I reached the okay. So you're sharing your screen, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay, then I have to log out and then log in back.
Um, 29, 30, 31. 2 minutes. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna get buyers pushing or are we gonna get sellers pulling for the final 2 minutes? 5 minute candles closing, 3 minute candles closing, 1 minute candles closing, 15 minute candles closing,
Stop
45 minute
filled.
candle.
Everything will close.
And it said we're not waiting for nothing. We're taking off right now. So there you have it, ladies and gents. The markets go up on short weeks. You don't know when they're going up, but you know they're going up. So what do? You go long.
Simple as that.
What's that?
Simple as that.
Simple as that, yeah. You go long. So today is definitely a day to look for longs. I think we're gonna wake up to the market around the 33800s or 38,800s. But on that note, I'm gonna call it a night. You know,
Hmm.
you're gonna kick it for the London.
No, unfortunately, I have to go because I have to. I'll be on the road today again, so
Okay, cool. All right.
I have to go back and leave soon. So I'll be ready for our next stream tomorrow, same time, same place as always. Um, this has been an amazing session, if you ask me. This week has been okay, only second day of our streaming, but um, I feel like we did a lot of good work. Um, so yeah,
I appreciate you guys. If y'all are enjoying the streams, definitely like, subscribe. If you have any suggestions for us, anything that you think we could do better, feel free to drop it in the comments. We definitely read all the comments, so it's very important to us. But like every day, just remember, price of patience is always less than the price of regret.
yes, sir.